Hi, this is Dustin with Headset Advisor, and the reason for this video is there are a lot of customers who have called us over the years and literally said, "Oh no, my headset is broken." Just like this headset in front of me. The headset detaches from the microphone or something like that, and it just totally breaks apart, and we just have to tell them, I'm sorry, there's nothing that can be done. You just have to throw the headset away. It's not covered under warranty because it's a physical break, so there's just nothing that can be done. So that's very unfortunate. Fortunately, there's this model here called the Discover Adapt 30 that simply has a detachable headband from the actual headset. The headset's extremely durable in one piece, and the headband is separate. So that means you don't have to worry about those physical breaks. You can just put it on, take it off, put it on, and you're good to go with the headset. And even if anything did break on this headset, like the headband is the inexpensive portion. The headset is the expensive portion. So you're fully covered under that. Even if a headband broke, it would be covered under warranty on this particular model. Now, not only that, but this headset system comes with two headbands. You've got a single that I just showed you and a dual right here. So you're able to cover both ears and interchange between the two wearing styles, which is the only headset on the market that can do that. Very unique feature. So if you're in the situation where you did break your headset, or you just want to make sure that you do get a headset that does not have that breaking concern, then the Discover Adapt 30 is a fantastic option for your desk phones and your computer-based applications, your soft phones, for your video calls, for viewing videos and things like that. So if you're interested in this model, there will be a link in the description below. Very, very popular headset. Go ahead and use the coupon code YouTube in all capital for your discount on our website. All the links will be in the description below. In addition, you will see a full review on this headset in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, give us a call, live chat, or send an email, and we'd be glad to help answer any of those questions. Thank you for watching. Until next time.